morning. It is just coming up on 6 a.m. and we're down here at Peter's Landing on a Saturday. John DeZamba and I are going on a little mission. It's going to be an interesting day today. A mission to move a memorial. So I'm not diving today. I'm going to be staying on the boat directing the events today. We're meeting up with a bunch of other divers. There are divers that are going in at Shaw's Cove and Fisherman's Cove to help us move a memorial that was placed improperly. So it has to get moved to the proper location. And hopefully we're going to do that today without too many problems. We're going to use the old dinghy to, once the memorial is floated, we'll be using the dinghy and the dinghy motor to tow the memorial from point A to point B. And then we're using lift bags today to lift it in order to move it, so it should be very interesting. Getting close. Wave to the camera there, John.
Oh, I can see it.
Coming up on Abalone Point, and then we're just going to go a little bit further past Seal Rock. Then cruising about 16 knots the whole way. And we're making really good time. We're supposed to be there between 7:30 and 8, and looks like we're going to be there between 7:30 and 8. And we have some dolphins out here. I'm not going to probably get a very good shot of them. There's yeah. Oh well. We got two guys, two dolphins hanging out with us here. We're at our location, and we just anchored, and we are waiting for our search team to show up. Okay, they're not going to play. Okay, the search team's here. It's Demra. There's Liz, John, and there's Janice coming up here. She's going to need to rest for a little while. And then way out there, we got Team 1 in the water. I can't see their heads, but they're out there. Where are they? There they are. And they are going to mark where we're going to be going. I got a paddle boarder out here playing with the dolphins. It's fun for them. Well, the search didn't quite work out. We never found the memorial, but the other team was able to locate where it's supposed to go. So we're going to try again some other time. I'm not sure when. But we'll just have to wait and see. Anyway, it's a pretty fun day. John got some good diving in. Well, not good diving. Visibility was crap. Which was another reason the memorial wasn't found, so. Oh well. Head back home and some food. Okay, so I kind of screwed that video up by not videoing more of the action. I got a little concerned about the two teams when they went down, and I had binoculars on my face and did not videotape, so sorry about that. It was kind of interesting that the search team, they tried. They had a rope strung between the four of them, and they just kind of went in a line looking for the memorial, hoping it would snag on it, because the visibility was only about 5 feet, and they couldn't even see one another. They just had this line that was kind of holding them together as a group. And they did a kind of a pattern and a sweep, and because we were generally anchored right where that memorial should be, and they never found it, so that was kind of anticlimactic. So anyways, promise to do better videotaping in the future. See you later.